Once upon a time, there was a trader who had a large flock of goats. People used to come from distant and nearby places to buy goats from him. Thud the trader was earning a lot from his trade. He had also employed a goat herd who drove the flock to a pasture in the morning and after sunset, drove them back, and shut them up in the fold. One day, the goat herd was about to drive the flock back home, as usual, when he saw that some goats had strayed aside. So he tried to get them back by calling and whistling. All the strayed goats returned and joined the flock, but one stubborn goat didn't obey him. So he threw a stone at her. It hit one of her horns and it was broken. The goat herd got scared and begged the goat not to tell anything about it to the trader. But he was silly because the horn itself would have revealed the reality. Everybody approved the idea, but the question was, who will bell the cat? At a grocer's shop, there were mice everywhere. People didn't want to come to his shop anymore. So the grocer kept a cat. She chased the mice and ate some each day. The mice